And yung flood control program is even bigger than the 200 billion allotted to the Department of Agriculture. Oh, nasaan yung pagmamalasakit mo sa taong bayan? Yung food security. Ginagawa mong yung mga kakampi mo, ginagawa mong kumurakot at kumuha ng pera kasi akala mo magamit ng mga tao mo para mapanalo 100% yung mga kandidato mo. Yun ang tunay. Kasi you had the chance, Marcos, you had the chance to provide reform. Dumaan sa iyo yung 2025 budget. Nagyabang ka na I have the veto power. Pero ilan lang ang binito mo? 21 billion. Pinalusot mo lahat. And, bakit mo pinalusot? Sasabihin mo, nagmamadali tayo, 21 billion lang. Huwag mong lukuhin ang taong bayan. Under the Constitution, under the powers of the President can return, can bring it back, have it back to the House of Representatives and the Senate, yung budget na hindi nag-comply sa NEP or hindi nag-comply sa rules governing the approval of the budget.